Today, the High Court of Kenya has given a landmark historical judgment where a patient who went to Aga Khan Hospital for surgery to deal with the ovary and the uterus, the hospital went ahead and without her consent removed her cervix. The legal requirement for a medical operation dictates that any medical procedure called a surgery, the patient must consent. On that ground, the hospital failed because it went ahead to do a surgery, removal of a cervix, without the patient's consent. The second issue that came about is the person who did the surgery was already disqualified in Uganda. He had been barred from practicing surgery in Uganda. And under the laws governing Eastern medical facilities, once a surgeon has been barred in any country, he cannot practice medicine in any other different country. This was known to Aga Khan Hospital. The reason as to why they allowed a person not allowed to practice medicine under the law, that is a quack. That is a person who is a danger to the life of the patients. That second reason, the judge found out that the hospital, one, was negligent. How? It is the one that allowed a person not allowed to practice medicine to operate on a patient. Third, the surgery resulted into a serious issue. One, the patient lost her job. Two, the patient developed serious medical complications that necessitated her to move to South Africa for specialized treatment. That became a serious financial gap in the patient's life. Third, the sexuality and the marriage between the husband and the wife got affected. She lost her sensitivity to sexual needs. She could not provide conjugal rights. Her marriage got strained, and out of it, the court found out that the effect of an illegal cervical removal has caused a serious marriage disruption and enjoyment of life. Lastly, the court found out that because she has lost the job, she will continuously get medical treatment in and out of the country for all her life. And that is why the judge boldly and for the first time has awarded the largest amount of compensation of 157 million shillings to the person, the lady who went to court for a botched operation. What are the legal lessons from this matter? This is a landmark issue. Remember, doctors, when people die, the matter of negligence is normally dealt with the board. And the board protects those doctors that have either killed people, have done illegal surgeries, they have maimed patients, and lives of the loved ones are put on a life-threatening mountain. It is now a wake-up call to the doctors and to especially the hospitals that they ensure everybody who is practicing medicine, and especially surgical medicine, is qualified with licenses. Two, the duty of care. When you take a patient to hospital, there is a high standard of expectation. The Hippocratic oath the doctors take is to save life. not to take life or to maim people who have gone, who are vulnerable, who are looking for treatment. So this one changes the landscape. It is a new jurisprudence in this country of people who have suffered in the hands of quacks who pretend to be medical qualified doctors.